My dryer at the end of a cycle just kept spinning and spinning, so I took the clothes out and realized that if the door is closed, no matter what, it just keeps spinning. And so the fix for this is actually really easy if you have the same issue I did. So you can see here that the motor stops as soon as the doors open, and it starts right back up again as soon as you close it. There's just 5 screws in the back, and then you pop this little protector covering thing off. It's much easier when you have 2 hands. And then you pull that top plate off, and you can flip this whole top unit down to get to the control panel. This plastic thing, there's just some tabs on it. You pull those tabs back, and you can pop that cover off. You just want to find the motor relay, which is right there. Tap it a few times with your screwdriver. Make sure that the dryer's unplugged for this, just in case. And what that did is it unstuck the relay. Now you can see it's working properly. If I go and I shut the dryer off, it actually stops. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. If you found this useful, please remember to like and subscribe.